A damaged roof leads to costly repairs, mold risks, and energy inefficiency. If you're seeing leaks or wear, it's time to act. At Canopy Roofing, we provide premium roofing solutions in Miami, Florida, blending durability, style, and unmatched protection. As trusted roofing specialists in Miami, Florida, we use top-tier materials and precision craftsmanship to extend your roof's lifespan. From emergency repairs to full replacements, our roofing solutions in Miami, Florida, cover residential and commercial needs, all with a warranty. From asphalt shingles to metal roofs, we use premium materials and cutting-edge techniques to deliver unmatched durability, curb appeal, and peace of mind. Your roof shouldn't just look good, it should last decades. Worried about delays or surprises? Our roofing specialists handle everything: free consultations, transparent quotes, and seamless installations, all with minimal disruption to your day.